Hello everyone, today I want to share insights from Matt Cott's TED Talk. Try something new for 30 days. In this brief yet impactful talk, Cott discussed how taking on 30-day challenges transformed his life. He began by stepping out of his comfort zone, committing to trying something new every day for a month. These weren't grand endeavors, just small, manageable tasks like taking a photo daily or biking to work. The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity. By setting short-term goals, Cass found it easier to stick to new habits. Over time, these challenges not only added excitement to his routine but also led to significant personal growth. One of his notable achievements was writing a novel in 30 days. While the result wasn't a bestseller, the experience taught him discipline and the joy of creation. Other challenges, like giving up sugar, had lasting health benefits. Cass' message is clear. If there's something you have always wanted to try, a 30-day challenge is a great way to start. It's a manageable timeframe that can lead to meaningful change. And here comes to my personal reflection. This talk inspired me to consider the power of short-term commitments. Often we delay pursuing new interests due to fear or perceived lack of time. However, dedicating just 30 days to a new active seems achievable and less daunting. I'm now motivated to embark on my own 30-day challenge, perhaps learning a new language or adopting a healthier habit. It's a reminder that significant transformations often begin with small, consistent steps. Thank you everyone for listening.